It's Canada Day. Makikiisyoso si Mario at si Marites. Yan. Oh, ito is sa community namin. Look what's happening. Lots of games. May mga games din. Food. I think it's free, hey?
I think so.
Yeah, tingnan natin.
I think it's the association thing.
Dami rin tao. Happy Canada Day! Yan, mga free hotdog siguro to.
Hotdog and burger.
Hotdog and burger. Ang ganda nito. Manda, may ano ng hotdog. Ito ng hotdog, oh. Yun. Wow. May mga games dyan. And food. Haba ng pilaan yun. May ticket. Ticket to get the free food. May mga raffles din siya. May mga raffle din. Sakota Realty, buying and selling. Kung nalaman lang natin ito ng umaga, ano, libre tayo ng lunch. Busog na eh. Still going. Meron din ice cream. Seniors ice cream.
Let's see the groups.
Yan. Daming tao. Dapat nalaman natin ito ng umaga. Nakalibre tayo ng lunch, ano?
Hotdog and
Burger. And may free drinks din. Coke and water. May mga games din. Play at your own risk. Dami. Ito ang golf course. Paikot pala. Oh. Holes. Oh, yung antena mo, Commander. Meron mo antena. Oh. Oh, may sticker.
bakit isa lang?
Yes. Okay. Balik na tayo. Punta tayo sa Shoppers and Canadian Tire. Okay.